I'm going to show you how to make the Apple Magic Mouse even more comfortable. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. This is the Apple Magic Mouse 2. I think the Mouse 1 was the same thing, but it's kind of skinny and my hands are kind of big, and what I find myself doing is grabbing the mouse just like this a lot, and it kind of pinches my hand. It's giving me a little crab claw, and it's not super comfortable, and after a long day of working on the computer, my hand is a little cramped up. I would like the mouse to be a little wider, a little more ergo for me. So I picked this up, and these are basically wings that stick onto the side of the mouse here, give it a little bit more area to grab onto, and hopefully will make it a little more comfortable. So let's install these and see if they work. Alright, so what we get here are those little wings that go on the side of the Magic Mouse, and I'm going to just open this up. It actually looks like we get 2 pairs, I think, so a lot of value for the money, and they are just like these rubber sides that go on the mouse. So if you have a couple Magic Mice, I think they should both go on. And what you can see here is I don't know that there's really a left and right. They look almost exactly the same. They have a little curved indentation here which will hug this side of the mouse. You can see how they move on the side here. They actually have the Fironst name embossed in there, and flat bottom, and little double-sided tape right there. We also have some wipes here to wipe down the sides. Make sure you don't have any of your finger oils on these sides so that they stick nicely. Obviously, I think that these are going to be removable, but you may have to use a little goof off to get off the double-sided tape, I'm guessing. I think they should be pretty easy to install. You're just going to peel off the tape right here, and then I think we're just going to go ahead and attach it, try to center it as much as humanly possible. I will say the way it attaches here, the little rubber piece is higher up than these little tracks right here, so it shouldn't cause any interference with your desk surface or anything like that. Even though this rubber is pretty grippy, I don't think it will be low enough to actually touch your table or your desk. And I'm just going to throw in this one here. I can see here, I'm just kind of ballparking it. You can actually see it's pretty nicely made. There's even a little indentation here so that the rubber rises up to where the clicking surface is, but it doesn't interfere with it. So pretty nice, nicely designed. I also have this little marshmallow hump on there. I put that on earlier for a little bit more ergonomic feel, comfortable feel, but now I tell you what, I love this. It's just a little bit wider, I would say in total maybe 3/4 of an inch wider, and that's just a little bit more comfortable feeling. In fact, I can actually use my pinky here much more comfortably than I normally would. Normally I would use my ring finger and my thumb because of how narrow this is, but now it feels not only tall because of this, but nice and broad right here. So man, that feels good. Dude, I'm going to really enjoy this. This is going to be a much more natural position for my hand, and these little accessories here are not expensive. They're actually pretty inexpensive. It looks like you get another set, so if you screw it up or you have a couple Magic Mice, then this is going to make it that much more comfortable. And I have a second one that I use with my MacBook, so I think I'll put those on there as well so that I have a really comfortable mouse no matter where I go, at home or on the road. If you want to pick up these little wings for your Magic Mouse, I think they are a necessary upgrade. So I'll put a link to them in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
If you wanna know about a brand, ask me. I'll check if what's in the bag's nasty. Better if you know what's up than the unhappy. I know what it feels like when you're done cashing. They tried their meal or drive their vehicle. Garbage delivered at your PO. I know you feel you wanna scream, your head hurts on your pillow.
Discover more.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Explore deeper.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Live better.